Welcome back, guys. We are going to be doing today a beautiful, wonderful salsa that we're going to be making. Some people like it chunky, some people like it saucy. I'm actually going to make mine a little saucy, but literally real quick, real easy. All we need is we're going to have ourselves a white onion. I have a sweet onion here as well, poblano pepper, some Roma tomatoes. I have some squeezed garlic as well, but you can use fresh garlic. We have some lime, some jalapenos, and some cilantro. And literally all I'm going to do is chop this up, put it inside of a blender, blend it up, and boom. Add a little couple seasonings here and there, and you have yourself a beautiful salsa. So let's go ahead and chop this up real quick. All right, now we got everything chopped up. Literally all we're going to do is grab our usually a food processor might be better, but I got a blender. We're gonna go ahead and grab the blender, throw everything in it, and just get everything grounded up. One thing also, guys, you also wanna make sure you put some salt, some garlic, some black pepper. You know, I love my black pepper. And I'm actually gonna put a little bit of olive oil inside of it too, just to kinda give it a little watery consistency. If y'all hear a little something going on in the back, that's my dog. My dog is going crazy. She's playing with my basketball. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead, grab the blender, and get this party started. All right, guys, let's go ahead and throw everything right in. I'm just gonna break off a little bit of this cilantro. Just gonna push that down right into there. I'm gonna take all of our onion. I got a lot of tomato. So all of that good stuff in there. And then once again, you can kind of cater it to how you want it. Some people like more garlic than others. Some people like more jalapenos more than others. Just do however you want to do it, guys, and it's gonna come out amazing as usual. So let's go ahead and get that onion in there as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some lime in here. All right, squeeze some of that lime juice in there. All that juice in there. Some more jalapenos. Put my poblanos in. And of course, like I said, I'm just gonna put some extra virgin olive oil in here. It's healthy, it's good for you. There we go. Let's go ahead and give it a little taste. Let's see how it is. That is spicy. Woo! But I definitely think I need some more lime. All right, guys, let's go ahead and add a little bit of seasoning to it. Let's go ahead and grab your pink Himalayan salt. Taste it here and there and just see how it is. You don't want to put too much in. Get some of that black pepper. You know how I like my black pepper, y'all. I almost forgot my squeezed garlic. Definitely want to put some garlic in this. I'm gonna have to get some more garlic, guys. Let's take this for another ride. Let's give it a taste. Oh wow, that is amazing, guys. Let's pour this in a bowl, let you see what it looks like, and then pretty much we're done. Here you guys have it, a beautiful, wonderful green salsa. This tastes amazing, and you can put this on toast, you can put this in your grits, you can put this on your tacos, you can put this on some nachos, anything that you want you can use it for. But once again, guys, thank you for watching. As you know, I'm not a chef, but I try to make a little something here and there. But until the next time, guys, take it easy.